Hello my happy readers, it's Shedtime Stories with Issy. Are you ready to share a new book? Well, I have chosen a rather whirling, swirling book to share. The title is My Feelings Are a Hurricane. If you have this book at home, you can read along with me. The author, the person who has written this book, is Annabelle Wallet. And the illustrator, the person who has drawn all the pictures, is Martina Straniero. Now in this book, we're going to meet a little girl who is describing her emotions when they get out of control. They feel like a hurricane, all mixed and muddled up. I wonder if she could have some coping skills to help her get through them. Shall we read and find out? My feelings are a hurricane. My feelings are a hurricane, but how can that be? Feelings are not weather. Feelings are a part of me. Sometimes I feel sad when I do not succeed in school, or when I'm at the playground and someone's being cruel. Sometimes I feel angry when my parents tell me no, or when I'm so busy that I can't get in a flow. Sometimes I feel afraid when I have to get a shot, or when I try something new, my stomach's in a knot. Sometimes all of those feelings happen at the same time. They begin to swirl together. They crash and collide. Hurricanes occur when warm and cold air rise and spin. That's exactly what it feels like deep inside my skin. The sad, the angry, and the scared fight to be on top. There's a battle going on. I wish it would just stop. As my feelings swirl, the hurricane gets much bigger. I start to lose control of all its might and vigour. And suddenly, the spinning gets me out of control. My feelings are a hurricane that's taken its toll. Just when I feel like there is no way to chill out, my brain reminds me that I've got this, no doubt. Taking deep breaths can slow down the spinning and swirling. It slows down my heart and helps me manage the whirling. But how can I breathe deeply when I'm angry and sad? I turn it into a game to get rid of the mad. A kitchen sink breath is my favourite one, I think. I hold my arms out and I twist the knobs on the sink. I breathe in deeply through my nose while I twist my wrists. Then I exhale the flow as I open up my fists. Pretzel breaths are also very relaxing to do. I twist my arms tightly through Through my nose I inhale too. I squeeze my arms like I am grabbing the hurricane. When I exhale, I let them loose to calm down my brain. Deep breathing like this sends a signal up to my mind. It tells my body that everything can unwind. Then I start to feel the hurricane falling apart. The happy creeps into my body and to my heart. Together, my heart and my mind know just what to do. They get my body in control, right from head to shoe. Then, once my hurricane has totally disappeared, I can use my coping skills and I'll stop feeling weird. I have lots of coping skills that help to keep me calm. I like things like reading, drawing, or talking to Mum. Or I talk to Grandma, Dad, or to one of my friends. Or I play with a fidget toy that squishes and bends. Do you ever think that your feelings are swirling too? And that there is a hurricane lurking inside you? You are not alone, you know. Sometimes I feel it too. Take a deep breath and very soon you will feel brand new. Oh, what a beautiful book that was! I liked the way the girl in the story was describing her emotions, how they all clashed and banged together, all the anger, the worry and the sadness. They felt like a hurricane. But, just as she said, there are ways we can help our body to calm down again. There are ways that we can use our breath, inhaling and exhaling, to feel that calmness inside. There are coping skills that you can use, just like she did in the book. And there are always people around us that we can talk to help us understand our emotions. I hope you've enjoyed today's Shed Time story. And if you want to, you can like, share, follow and subscribe to Shed Time Stories. And then you will be ready for the next book for us to share together. Bye-bye.